Yo, what up YouTube BX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only use me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys, just to let you guys know I am using my Sony ZV-E10 II with my Hollyland's Lark Max 2. So I got this in safe mode. I got everything on low because I like the way how it sounds at low. And when I go in post, I can bring up the audio, try to get out a lot of those background noises and stuff like that. But we're going to continue messing with the things like that. Okay, boys? So at no further ado, let's get to this unboxing. You already know the words. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So this one right here, I already know what this one is. This is from JSAUX. I do have one coming in, another one coming in from JSAUX like that. So I'm waiting for that to get shipped out. And yeah, so here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. So what is this? This is specifically for this right here. For what right there? For this right here, for my Legion Go 2. Now the thing is, I normally do a dual screen, well, triple screen setup, because this one right here is always on. Then I have another monitor sitting right there. But the thing is, my monitor that's right here that you can't see, basically what's happening is, and let me see, I got the mic going a different way. Supposed to be, I don't know if it's picking up my voice or if it's using this. Hold on a second. Okay. All right. So, yeah, this one, because the way how the Legion Go 2 it is, well, the Legion Go how it's made, there's a port at the bottom of there that I can't use because the simple fact is it's not taking excessive on it, and the microphone jack is actually at the bottom, headphone jack, whatever, use it for the mic, whatever like that, it's also at the bottom, so I can't use it. I was going to get the Ava Media capture card that basically puts it on the dock like the Switch dock, but the reason is JSAUX is sending me out something that's basically meant for the Nintendo Switch, like how I have on this dock right here from D brand. What I'm doing is I'm going to test and see exactly if the adapter piece that they have for the Switch 2 will work at the bottom with the little dock, so I'll be able to use the headphone 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and also use that bottom part of the dock at the bottom to do everything. So let's get this bad boy open right here. I did tell JSAUX I was going to review this. I purchased this with my own money. They didn't have any units for me to review, so I brought it, told them I'm going to still do it. So they might reimburse me back on it. I don't know. I have to talk to them. But and the further thing, you already know, bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. You already know how I do things, boys. The shirts is coming. The shirts and the hats is coming for that. Don't worry. We sold out before. It's just I've been doing other things, so those shirts is coming. So, is this the transparent one? Yes, it is. I was about to say, if this was the black one, I was going to be pissed. Okay, so this right here gives me that, like I said, gives me that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack that I need because I can't use the one at the bottom of that one. So I can use that one specifically. We have USB right here. Let's get this sticker off real quick. There we go. Is there anything else in here? Yes, there is. We have this. And yes, just tells you how to use it. We might have to do an update on this. I know with JSAUX stuff, you have to do updates on certain things to take advantage of it. So I might have to download a program or whatever. Is there anything else inside the box? We don't know. So let's see. No, nothing at the bottom. That's basically about it. So what we are going to do, we're going to take the dock off, and we're going to do this live if I can get everything back in this freaking box. Okay, there we go. There we go. Get this inside here, put that back over there, close this up like there. All right, let me stop violent. So it says push. Let me shut up. We got to get that tape off of here. So we do get an SD card. We get the micro SD card readers right here. We get display. We get HDMI. We got USB Type-C. You got host, and you got 10 gigabytes. You got two USB Type-Cs right here. I'm sorry, two USB 3.0. I think it's 3.0, 3.1, or 3.2. I shouldn't have put that sticker away. And we have the PD for power right there. Let's look at that sticker really fast. I should have looked at it before I threw it inside the box. Yeah, this is 4K 120 or HDMI, 4K 120 with DisplayPort right here. Yeah, USB-C 3.2, and we have two USB. Why do you got C? That's not C. That's USB 3.2. So yeah, 3.2 right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the dock that I'm already rocking with, because this dock is going to go over towards my other part of my table. So when I want to use my iPad to do the recordings, I got like that, because I currently have this connected towards my main computer. So it says push. There we go. Push it. Let me shut up. And there we go. We got that out the way. This is host right here. There we go, like that. And this one is a 240 watt right there. Ooh. Let's take this, pop that bad boy out as so. Throw this right there. Pop that on. And I just realized something. I done fucked up. You know why I'm saying I done messed up? Because the simple fact is that, no I didn't. I was thinking about using this. I forgot. Display to HDMI. I literally forgot about that. So, what did we do wrong? That's to that. Power to right here. There we go. So let's just lay this down for a second. Oh, there it goes. All right, you know what we're gonna do? Since I gotta edit the video anyway, guys, we're gonna keep on going with the unboxing. So this is also a second part of the unboxing right here. So we got this package right here. We're gonna just throw everything in one. Normally I break up my videos with different unboxings, but I'm just gonna add this on towards it. So yeah, let's get this one unboxed. Where is the tear? Because we don't need the bat knife for this one. There we go. Should be two packages in one. There we go. That's what I was looking for. So this right here is just an adapter right here for my lenses, because I do have ND filters and stuff like that. So I needed an adapter specifically for this camera right there. So this basically goes on the camera just like that, like that. If you don't know, I'm using a Sony ZV-E10, so basically this goes in like that, so I can put my filters in to get a lot of that light off, or for the lenses and things like that. So that's what this is. We're not going to open up this one. So this one right here is a USB, this is a USB capture card. So it's HDMI to USB Type-C. Let's get that out real quick. Oh, it came with an SD card. Adapter, yes. Yes. Oh, no, they didn't. They gave me the adapter piece for it, so I don't have to use it as USB-C. There we go. I was getting ready to order one of these. USB, I was going to do a Type-C to Type-A right here, but they give it to you in the box. I didn't realize it. There we go. So this is a 4K 60 capture card right here. As you can see right here, USB 3.0. Let's get that. There we go. Oh, man, I love this camera. My audio may be low. Just to let you guys know, if the audio is low, I'm going to do everything I can to fix the audio and bring the audio up a little bit higher in post-production, all right? But they did give me this, which I was about to order one of these. I still got to order some extra stuff. I need to order a cage for this camera. So when I'm doing my upside-down recordings or live streams, I got the cage, and basically the cage is going to help me move things backwards and forwards without having to keep unscrewing things and go backwards and forwards like that. So yeah, plug it in like this, directly in, capture card. I'll be able to do my live streams. I can switch. I might order another one of these to have it directly right here. So when I live stream or when I'm doing unboxings, I can do 4K 60 like that, instead of buying one of those Elgato capture cards like that. So we have this right here. This is perfect. To be honest, I have one of these. I was just going to cut one of my cords that basically has it, because this one right here actually has it right there. You can't see it. It's just a little adapter piece you put on there to turn it from type C to type A. So yeah, that's what this is right here, guys. Let's get this out the way. Okay, so if the audio sounds kind of funky, guys, it's going to be worked on in post. I'm going to try to get it as loud as I can get it. All right, guys. So that's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, become part of the DYZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.